So hello guys, so today we will solve the Codeforces 160A problem, that is twins. So this problem states that imagine you have a brother or sister who are exactly twins. So your mother has left you some money to buy lunch, and your criteria to split the money is such that the number of coins you have and their value should be strictly larger than the sum of the values which your twin will have. So what you need to do here is you need to pick yourself subset of coins so that sum of values of your coins is strictly larger than sum of values of remaining coins your twin will have. So you cannot have too many coins. So what you've decided is that you will follow some strategy. So that strategy is that you will take minimum number of coins with maximum number of denotation whose sum of value is exactly greater than the sum of the values of remaining coins. So to solve this problem, one thing which strikes first is you have to find the maximum denotation of coins with minimum number of coins. So you need to sort it in a descending order, the number, all the coins. So the greater number of coins are first, so you select those first so that you get maximum number of value with minimum number of coins. So let's see how the algorithm will work. So this is the input format and the output format. So you need to print the minimum number of coins required. So let's take these test cases and see how the algorithm will work. So for our first input, that is n equal to 2 and coins being 3 and 3. So, so first thing we need to do is find the total number of sum of all the coins. So I will find the coins in both these test cases. That is, for this it is 6 and for this it is 5. Now second thing we need to do is sort the coins in descending order. So I will sort this, so that will become 3 and 3, and I'll sort this and it will become 1, 2 and 2. Now we need to find, and we will declare a variable answer which will be equal to 0 initially. So answer will keep check the value of the coins we are picking, and we will loop the descended sorted coins, and we will at each step we will check if our answer is greater than the total sum minus the answer. That is, if I am doing for coins 1, 2 and 2, at I equal to 0 my answer will be 0 and sum minus answer would be 5. So I would increment the answer by the coins. That is, I will answer would be incremented by coins of I, and I would increase as it is in the loop. Then at the second step, answer is 1 initially. So is the answer 1 greater than 5 minus 1, that is 4? So no. So I will again increment the answer. So answer will become answer plus equal to coins of second, that is 3. So answer would become 3 now. Now at the third step, I will check if the answer is greater than sum minus answer. That is 3 greater than 5 minus 3? Yes, it is. So I will output the number of denotation as I, and that would be my answer. So this is the algorithm which we will follow. So let's see how it is coded. So I'll create a file. You will get the code for this in the GitHub repository which I will provide. I'm coding it in C++. You can code it in any language you want. One thing to notice here is if are there any input constraints. So no, it is between 0 and 100. So we won't need long here. Yeah. So first we'll see how's the input format. It's int n, then vector for coins. Now first I need to find the sum of all the coins. So it can be done using accumulate. Now I will sort all the coins in descending order. Now I want to sort it in descending order, so I will do it using this. If you want to sort it in ascending order, you can do it that way itself, but you will have to do some extra calculations while outputting the answer by subtracting the size of the index, and you have to start the loop from the end of the list instead of the start of the list. You can perform it in that way as well. So now I would declare an variable to store my value denomination. Let's keep it value itself. And I would keep a flag to check if I am doing it, if my loop is broken or not. I would initialize it as false first. Now I'll go in loop. So I will check if the answer is greater than my sum minus answer. If it is, then I would see out the I simply, and I would change the flag to true, and I would break the loop because I've already gotten the answer. Else I would, its value actually. I would check here if my flag is not broken, it means all the coins would be taken. That is in the case of the first example, when I cannot find any value which would be greater than the sum 6. So for the first it would be like 3. 3 is not greater than 6 minus 3, as it has to be completely increasing. So it will break the loop and it will get out of the loop. In such situation, we will print all the coins which are required. So he will get coins dot size. Let's test our code on the example input. I don't know what's the issue. I'll just submit the file. So this is the file. I'll submit it. Yeah, as you can see, it is accepted. So in this way, we are able to solve this question as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. And comment down below what more problem you would like to see the solution to.